Hey learning fellow, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we're gonna learn about two types of microscopes, light microscope and electron microscope. So let's begin. Light microscope. A light microscope uses light to magnify, but an electron microscope uses electrons to magnify. Light microscope can magnify things up to 1000 times, but an electron microscope can magnify things up to 1 million times. That's a lot of amount. A light microscope are cheap, but an electron microscope are really expensive. A light microscope are easy to use, but an electron microscope are really hard to use. A light microscope are smaller than electron microscope, but an electron microscope are really big in size. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And yeah, if you love the video, don't forget to comment down below and don't forget to share it to your friends.